Hiya folks, had to do a little bit of maintenance recently on my wife's railroad setup. The power supply we had, all the capacitors burst from all the heat and just sitting in its control box over the past 10 years. And what I'm using for a box for the power supply is an old Eagle traffic signal controller box I acquired quite a few years back. And here's what it looks like on the inside. And down right here, this is the electrical mechanical switching for the Wigwag on the lights. And this right here is the little power supply that just came in the mail yesterday. I hooked this thing up last night just to see if it was going to work. Then I had to do a little bit of work on the bell. We had some wasp nests up in there. But anyhow, I've got a little remote control setup that I have here to make this operate. And let me switch it on for the Wigwag. There we go. And there's the bell. Now this is not as near as loud as it used to be. And that's because the power supply that I have put in here is puts out less amperage than my old one, but it does the job, and this way it doesn't totally upset all our neighbors. Well folks, hope you all enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.